Kasin Anthony's College kabadan hanomba Shillong, Shen kan sasdang no ya ke Skul Miet, lane ke evening school, naga Bynta ki Khynnah Plie kabadan hagijing Duna, bad kitu bayo Duna hag percentage haga class 12, bad ki course kiba kane ke school kan ai kalong, haga BA honors jangka khasi bad philosophy, ke Kibym honors in management, bad yakini ki course labha pisa ada ke alumni jangka ni ke college hi. Haba krem for the Joby Joseph, bad director ke St Anthony's College lo yathu. Baka thongwa khamat ne nak Bynta kan Skul Miet kadai ban ai jingkai bat kersham sekitu ki Khynnah Plie ki badan hapadeng ke jingduk jingkerdu ki basubala yang beriu bat ki ba penbit penbiang halai yang lasem wana keleng rektor la kerpa dik pajba bakin penpriang ya kan khobor kum ka kabu nak Bynta ki Khynnah Plie ki beladu jingkermen bagni yo biang ya kalat ban syam ya ki jingnan jikstat kemba kalawai jingki ka thrang uba Kasteli Simyong nak department juga computer science bat secretary juga St Anthony's College Long Alumni Association ulai thu bagijing siu kolong san hajar tingka kebla phia haki art installment balada ki Khynnah ki biang ya ka attendance hadu prapo persen cheneng lada ki kio hagijing Plie ka bakham sejrong ya kini gijing siu on pen phai biang shaki Khynnah mukil la on pen biang na Bynta gijing don kam jiki ha gijing Plie ki bakham he.
Hi friends, coming to you from St Anthony's College, Shillong. I'm Father Joby Joseph, the rector and delegate of the Alumni Association of the college. We are here to talk to you about the evening college, a unique venture that this college has started back in 2014. We have both arts and commerce in the undergraduate level, BA with honors in philosophy and Kasi, and in commerce with management. Difference, this is a unique venture of the college in keeping with the vision and mission of the college. A Don Bosco institution reaching out to the needy, to the poor, and especially in the line of the mission of the college, providing quality education within the reach of all. We know many of our students, especially in the interior, are not able to get, let's say, admission into best colleges, maybe mostly for reasons of economical reasons. They are challenged and they have no means. Also sometimes they get poor academic performance for reasons beyond their control at class 12. St. Anthony's College came up with this unique opportunity of giving the best to the most deserving such students in BA and BCom. And this is a course that is fully funded and supported by the alumni of this institution, those who pass out in the regular courses. We take a fees of 5,000, which can be paid in 2 installments across a year. So in 3 years, this 5,000 is paid, and every year if a student qualifies to the percentage of attendance at 80%, and if they receive the required target percentage academically, this amount of 5,000 in the first year is carried over to the second year, similarly to the third year, and when they pass out, they can carry this amount with them. And the last 4 or 5 batches that we have completed, there have been students who have come up to this standard, and we are glad to say that some of them who have entered with a very low percentage, as 30, 40, have come up to first division. And there are few candidates of ours who are also doing their masters and also doing their PhD. Dear friends, we feel proud and we feel that this is the real recognition and mission of this college. And dear friends, I would request that you pass this information, but the selection is a very strict process because we want to give the best to the most deserving economically and in merit, in marks. You can pass this information around, and those who are qualified and are deserving to this, you can apply in the college website, anthonys.ac.in. You will find online admission. You can apply by choosing the evening college option, or in case you have a problem applying online, there is also the application form, both commerce and arts, uploaded in the website. You can download it, hand fill it, scan and mail back to the email given in the form, or you can submit it at the college gate keeping to all the norms that are in place during this time by the government. Dear friends, may this be an opportunity that we give education to reach to the most deserving, and may the mission of St. Anthony's reaching out to the needy, providing quality education within the reach of all, be a reality. Please spread this message, and in keeping with the motto of this college, evermore, better ever. God bless you.
Yang ni ban crunch pang ke venture juga college evening college hakaba ni terwa ya ki Khynnah Plie ya ka course jong BA but BCom ka BA ki dan ki honors jong ka kasi ka philosophy kani ka evening college along pair do baro ki course bani offer ni college amar kani ka course ka tho ya ki Khynnah wa don kata ka jing rehem ban wa un puli puthi Kham tami gitu Kiba ba bang yo alat ban puli ban yai beteng jing puli juki Kham tami gitu ngaduan ka yin Kiba ka jing kot jing juki Duna ka puli puthi juki ka Duna buat gitu Kiba day Kiba tri belas ni but Kiba tri kumki domestic help ki yin Kibriu ha kaba Kiba ki thi susu kio ya ka degree juki di ya kami ka evening college ni support imba ka alumni ha kaba ni persang ban kring ni Khynnah di badon kata ka jimpuli watla karta daki karta ru ahe nrai daki don kata jing thrang but kata ka jing thrang puli juki ka long kaba ki kwa ban pendep kata ka bachelor's degree ne ka BCom degree juki te kani ka course ni offer ka college kolong ka ba yarap te ya kani ka course ka fee ka jinsiu juga fees with compare akaba ki hapsiu with tang sanhaja akaba ni la ban kia ka r installment te ya kani ka course ni sang ban yarap di Khynnah akaba kin yo admission ni gila ban siu ya kani ka fees ka ar installment ki kumang ongi ki fini ko bar kumjuru ni island ba ki Khynnah ki ban le bhai kini ki course ki aten khanang ba ka ki kiu shikawai kelas ka bahe ne kumang hot ka semester da ki biang ka attendance kuma prapo persen bat ka percentage ka marks ka bangi shit decide manu semester ha ka ba ki shumat ki yo ban achieve ya kata tingile kumno ni refund ka fees kana maki yo ban siu haka semester ban kiu jumki de kani ka ya hadu kina pendap ya ka jumpuli and hapo semester ka khadlu ha shwa bikin yo ka degree certificate daki biang ka attendance percentage bat ka marks ki ka biang tingi refund no ka fees baki siu kana maki yo ban pendakam hari nabu de ya kani ka evening college besides kani ka degree course ki attend ni offer yaki ruba gila ban shim ka technical course hakaba ka evening college kala ya soi ya ka jingya day bat ka Duna technical school hakaba ki Khynnah gila ban GT ki technical course gila ban like ski ki ka ki mechanic ki course ki offer for school technical school de ni kani ka evening college ka yara bahai ki hagar ka khep te haju ka poru ngam dia yathu yakhi ba kani ka course sedang tu araja aksal and hadu menta kumbasau batch kila pas te kani ka evening college tu ka Plie la di Khynnah ha ka ba kila ban yo soft skills ni khat communication skills value education but ki IT course kila ki la ban simenta kena ka nira iki habaki apply ki kam naki kinu ki Bynta ki kam baki like di nabut baki pendap ka degree di kat ni sepangga college. Wish you